Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Welcome back again. We're in Surat al Baqarah, ayah number 103. In this lesson, we have changed the font and the style a little bit. Would love to get your comments and seeing if you like this one better. And after every ayah, once I am done, I'm going to play the actual recitation from the great renowned Egyptian master of the Quran, Imam Khalil Husari, rahimahullah. So please do comment. Let me know if you like this format a little better, inshallah. Here we are, inshallah, right here. A'udhu billahi min shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So, walau annahum. Now in these ones, these are colored. I personally don't like the color too much. You get too used to it and then you rely on them. But this helps with letting you know this is a ghunna. وَلَوْ أَنَّهُمْ آمَنُوا. So أَنَّهُمْ آمَنُوا. Alif after the Hamza. Just, reminders. I know you guys have been practicing for a while, but just going through it. آمَنُوا وَاتَّقَوْا. So this waw goes straight into the ta. This drops. وَاتَّقَوْا. آمَنُوا وَاتَّقَوْا لَمَثُوبَةٌ min. Right? So this لَمَثُوبَةٌ, this would have been a tun, but it assimilates with the meme here. So it becomes لَمَثُوبَةٌ مِّنْ عِنْدِ. Why is that in red? This is the ikhfa, nun sakina followed by dal. مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ خَيْرٌ. مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ خَيْرٌ. لو كانوا يعلمون.
ولو أنهم آمنوا واتقوا لمثوبة من عند الله خير لو كانوا يعلمون.
Ayah number 104. Ya ayyuhal. So let's break this down, okay? Ya, this is to extend the ya, So you're going from ya, ayyu. This is a ya with a shadda, dhamma. Ya ayyu. Ya ayyuhal. This hal, okay, this drops. Although you're going straight from a hal, this drops going straight into the lam here. Ya ayyuhalladhina. Okay, so this is alladhina. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu. Like last one, amanu. La, this is a alif lam. La taqulu. This qaf, waw, lam, and then you have another waw. So just remember to extend it slightly. La taqulu. Ra, this is a ra, extended long fatha. Ra'ina. Waqulu. This has a sukoon, this is dropped. So what happens here? Let you think about that for a second. So what we should do is waqulu, go straight into the noon here. And this noon has a sukoon that is not visible here, and then follows by a dhad. This Dhad makes this ikhfa. So we would say وَقُولُوا, and then joining in, go straight into the noon, lun, in a sense, lun. وَقُولُوا انظُرْنَا, وَقُولُوا انظُرْنَا. Okay. This drops. وَاسْمَعُوا, وَاسْمَعُوا. وَلِلْكَافِرِينَ, that's a long alif right there for the kaf. وَلِلْكَافِرِينَ, كافرين, the ya makes this a little longer. وَلِلْكَافِرِينَ عَذَابٌ. Don't forget the alif there to make the عَذَابٌ أليم.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا
لا تقولوا راعنا وقولوا انظرنا واسمعوا وللكافرين عذاب أليم.
Jazakumullah khair. Looking forward to your comments, seeing if you like this style and this font better. May Allah bless you all. Assalamu alaikum.